Got a bit of a different video today. It's kind of a vlog, but it's for a good cause. DHL has invited me out here to Queens, to the Flushing Promenade, to help a little bit with their initiative to promote sustainability. And they're doing a few things out here leading up to the E-Prix, or the Formula E race that happens this weekend. So I think I found them. So here we are, finally found everybody. But in case you didn't know, DHL actually sponsors the Formula E race, which I'm a big fan of, where they do electric car racing. But they help them kind of figure out the logistics so that they can have the least carbon footprint when shipping everything from all these cities and these countries and everything. And it's kind of just like kind of a neat concept to me. But today, we're actually here in the inlet in Queens, and what we're gonna do is, leading up to the race, which is actually happening this weekend, DHL decided that they wanted to take part in a plastic cleanup.
We have 500,000 employees around the world in 220 countries and territories, and we really believe that with so many employees we can really make a difference. And we thought, what a great opportunity this week to join forces with Formula E and to volunteer together. So thank you for making yourselves available.
People are gross, like seriously. Some of the things I have in this bag, whew. But some background on this situation. There's actually a big collection of dragon boat racers over here. Dragon boats are these long boats. They're kind of like canoes, but they fit a lot of people. Maybe they're kind of like crew boats, you know, like when you see crew teams. But they basically use this kind of bay as a place to practice and exercise and do all that fun stuff. And they, at some point, realized how much trash was just in these waters and on these shores and everything. And so they kind of actually helped start this initiative to clean up this particular area. Them, along with Riverworks, joined together and kind of do this. They do this inlet, I was told, 3 times a year. And then they do other ones, a ton of other locations, and they do them, you know, more and less depending on the area and how much it needs it. And it's kind of cool that DHL joined in on this. A lot of their employees showed up to volunteer. A lot of the Formula E people also showed up, which was really nice to see. And it does fascinate me, actually, how like DHL is so committed to doing the sustainability thing. They've even made like a promise by 2050 to have everything be carbon neutral. That includes like their planes, which I don't know if you understand how like crazy that concept is. It's amazing to me. And then also like the logistics things and trying to, you know, they have one of the largest fleets of electric vehicles, which I talked about in another video that I did last year, which you can check out the link below if you want to check that out. But it's just cool. I appreciate companies that do take, you know, their wealth of manpower that they have and have volunteers come out from that and try to do something good instead of just turning a profit. Okay, back, showered, and yeah, I'm just kind of reflecting on the whole situation. It was really interesting, and I'm glad DHL invited me to come check that out. I was even talking to the people that run the park, along with the other organizations that were helping clean up, and talking to them about how much they love when a brand comes out and helps, right? Like DHL did, and like we got to witness today, which was really cool. They just love the fact that like those companies have such resources in terms of people who want to help and are willing to come all the way out to Queens and help clean up this bay when it's hard for them to find volunteers on a regular basis. And that's just, I don't know, it was just cool. There, guys, I hope you enjoyed this different kind of video. A bit short, a vlog, but hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this, of the things you saw today, etc. in the comments below. Always love to hear from you guys. And if you like this video, please thumbs up it or share it. It's greatly appreciated. And don't forget to check out the rest of my channel. If you like what you see there, please subscribe and ding the bell next to it, subscribe so you get notified when I do new videos. As always though, regardless, thanks for watching.